Welcome to Cheesewood by Roman Dmitri. I have a passion for woodworking and I want to share it with you. I'm actually a software architect by day, but I have many passions by night. So this is my fourth channel. My other channels are Cheese Code for web development, Cheese Make for 3D printing, and Cheese MOTO for motorcycles. And now Cheese Wood for woodworking. On this channel, we'll look at various projects, tools, tips and tricks, and all sorts of fun stuff. I've been doing DIY woodworking for about 15 years now. My first project was a factory cart restoration into a coffee table. I bought it for $100 from some sketchy crackheads, and it looked pretty rough. But the project went so well that it inspired me to move forward, and I still have it in my living room today. Truck is passing. More recently, I work on various furniture such as tables, shelves, and armoires. Basically whatever I need, because store-bought stuff goes down in quality every year and the dimensions rarely fit. In the future, I want to build my own couch. I've already started experimenting with padding, fabrics, and upholstery. And hopefully we'll find time to build one together. That first coffee table I did in my living room, and I barely had any tools. I only needed a wrench or a socket set to take it apart, some rags for stain, and disposable brushes for clear coat. Then, with every project, I rewarded myself with a new tool. 15 years later, I have enough tools to do quite a bit. This includes a planer, a rusty joiner, and a track saw. But I'm still missing key items like a lathe or a bandsaw, and even a proper dust collector. So the journey continues. If you're just starting out, I recommend skipping the circular saw and saving up for a miter saw instead. I waited way too long to get mine. Early on, I had to make a choice about which cordless brand to go with. I obviously chose DeWALT, and I haven't looked back. The first tool I got was a DCF 887, a 1/4-inch impact driver from DeWALT. I now maybe have 100 DeWALT tools, and only a few of them have truly disappointed me. Specifically, the DCF 630 drywall screw gun. That thing got glitchy after about 3,000 screws, just like literally every other review that you'll read. I'm wearing a DeWALT toque because it was 2 degrees Celsius in late May. What the fuck? Of course, I got DeWALT jeans, socks, and boots as well. Praise DeWALT. I'm not a complete diehard though. I have plenty Milwaukee tools, and they actually have pretty sweet markers. I'm standing in front of my brand new garage, which is still under construction. It's been about 2 years since we started. After framing and roofing was finished, I did the rest myself. This includes exterior siding, interior insulation, soundproofing with Sonopan, and even the drywall. I did hire an electrician to run a 200 amp line from the house and install about a dozen 20 amp receptacles. We even got 6 different light zones. How freaking awesome is that? There's actually a very long story here with an unlawful contractor, but I'll save that for another time. For now, I just want you to know that we're replacing an old barn and we have a pretty large pile of reclaimed lumber that we need to process. The wood has been outside for multiple seasons, so I built a solar oven to dry it and kill all the bugs. And I will definitely showcase it in another video. A large chunk of the reclaimed wood will become flooring for the loft, and also some barn doors for the windows on the east wall. I'll be making faux beams for the ceiling as well. Use rough pine from Home Depot, and I'll show you how to make it look legit. All this to come in more videos. Anyway, welcome to my new channel, Cheesewood by Roman Dmitri. Please like and subscribe for videos on tools, projects, and general tips. Thanks for watching. Leave your questions, comments, and fuck yous down below. Before bed tonight, be sure to say 3 DeWalts and 2 Milwaukees. Just kidding. I'll see you guys later.